want to show you how to play Don't Know Why by Norah Jones. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody on this song, because once you get the melody down, you can play it. B flat, A, F, F, D, D, B flat, B flat, 2 B flats, D, C, B flat, C, D, and then a short B flat, A, F, F, D, D, B flat, 2 B flats, B flat, C, B flat, C, D, go down to the B flat, D, C, B flat, C, D. And then for the second verse, she doesn't play that first B flat. She starts right off on the A. A, F, F, holds that F a little longer. A, F, F, then she then sets it up for a short D, and the D goes with the E flat. B flat, B flat. Short B flat and a longer B flat. Then back up to 2 A's. And then kind of a triplet, D, F, D, B flat, feel. B flat, C, D, B flat, D, C, B flat, C, B flat. And then the chorus is just an octave. B flat, A, F. And then you start on that F. F, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, walking down. So that gets you through the, and she sings that same melody a little bit, changes rhythmically a little bit, but sings it all the way through 4 verses. But let's get the introduction now. For the introduction, we're going to start off on this B flat and go to this E flat in the left hand, D, G, C, F, B flat, and then we end up with that B flat. Now that's pretty much the sequence of the harmony all the way through. Da 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 dee dee, E flat, da da, D, G, C, F, back to B flat, da dee da da dee dee. So it's that sequence all the way. But the first one we'll start off with the B flat up here. Her vocal comes in B flat, then you play the B flat. Now, what your notes are there is A, B flat, B flat, F, D, G, F sharp, D, F sharp, F, D, F, E, C, E, E flat, F, G, and I like to separate them a little bit. And then when she hits that B flat, just hold a little bit. And then we go right into the melody. So here it is, hands together. Now the E flat comes after the D, and the D comes after the B flat. So you got... What she does in her recording is simultaneously the piano hits that. Now I don't do it that way because you can't finish the vocal line and start the next vocal line. So what I do is I put a little bit of extra space in there. So she hits that B flat, low B flat, and then the low B flat, and the melody. So we just put a little space in there. So you got D, da, D, da, da, Now that next line is short B flat. Da, 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 then a short B flat here. So she's going to repeat the line and hits that B flat, and then you hit the G right there. Now all we're going to do is a little brief piano fill right there. It's D, F, D, B flat, into the second verse. So there's that holding the F and then a short D. Now here's a fill that goes F, G, B flat, G. So you're going to go F, G, B flat, G. And the words right before that are I would fly away. So the notes kind of fly away. And the left hand will come up here. Now right here I'm going to change the left hand and we're just going to walk it down with different notes of the harmony. B flat, A, G, F sharp, F, D, E flat, D, and then we're into the chorus. So you set it up with this. Now you've got a short A and a longer A. And then we go right to the A. See how that just walks down. G, F sharp, F, D, E flat, D. And you can work the timing out so it feels good for you. Well, the right hand, I play that as just a triplet there. D, F, D, B flat. She sings it as a triplet, that's why I play it that way. That B flat, that's important. Lets you finish that line and prepares the chorus because it's coming in. G, C, F, and then here's a fill that is kind of cool. So what that is an octave F and hold the high F. And then do it straight. And then hold it again. And then you come in with the F for the pickup to the next line, vocal line. And here's a little crushed G, F. Then we walk it down, E flat, D, C. And then the fill is D, E flat, D, C, B flat. And that B flat's going to match the one down here. So we are in C. This time, for whatever reason in the recording, they turn that piano line up. The F sharp, G, instead of down to the F. So I do it too. So they come out. Then a triplet, D, F, D, B flat. She does the same thing in there. So let's play that going in there, and I'll slow it down just a tad so you can see the notes. And then this is... So going into that third verse, the little riff is, now you can play it a couple times, a couple ways, whatever feels good. You can start with your middle finger, but then you end up with a thumb. I like to start on this index finger and cross over. It works better for me, but however it feels good, you can do it. You can start on the middle finger and still cross over. So whatever feels best on that, you end up with a C. Turn that G up. Now here's a riff that's kind of fun to play. You just hold that F and then play C, D, C, B flat, F, G, F, and then go to this B flat. So there's a crushed C to D and a crushed F to grace note F to G to G. Now this one I do finger with that middle finger. And then this one, it doesn't matter. Whichever way you want to do it right there. So get that in there, but that way you've got enough fingers. Now she ends that line by going down to a G, G, B flat, C, B flat. Then there's just a piano riff that goes G, B flat, and then she's into the chorus. Now this is different a little bit. Now what you've got there is you just go F octave, and then you're going to have this played in the right hand. C, A, F, D, E flat, D, C. And that's going to go along with E flat, D, C. I'll go it slow so you can see how it fits together. That's all it is to it. And then you go back to the G. Now here's where she kind of wavers that vocal line. She goes da dee da 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 da. So what those notes are G, F, G, E flat, F, E flat, D, C. And you just play it as you're walking down. G, let's see. And then we're into a piano bridge interlude. But now this isn't exactly what they play, but it's close. B flat, E flat. So you go to the D right there in the bass. G. So you go to G, and then up to a B flat as you go down to the C. Then you got. So let me play just the right hand so you can see it. D, F, D, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, F, G, G, B flat, G, F, D, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, G, F, G, F, E flat, D, B flat, B flat, G, B flat, D, D, B flat, B flat. Now it'll sound like da 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 da. Then you go on to D, F, F, G, F, D, C, B flat, G, F, F, D, E flat, D, C, and end with an F, C. And then we come right back in, and we're right into the fourth verse. Now your right hand is your left hand is going to go B flat, E flat, D, G, C, F. Do it again. So it's that same chord sequence in the left hand. You don't have to worry about it. So it'll sound like this. Hold that and then we hit this B flat. Anticipates with that B flat. Anticipates again. And here we go to the G, because you're just repeating. And then this time she goes, I. So those notes are G, B flat, G, F, and so just free form them right there. G, B, and this is the first time I put in a chord. So what you've got right there is you got a C9 chord, or C minor with a ninth in there, that D in there, and we end up with a B flat chord. All I play in the left hand is D and F, and we have the B flat on top. There you have it, Don't Know Why by Norah Jones. Beautiful song, beautiful voice. I hope you enjoy playing it.